Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
The documents. Hey, Tisha Ross, how are you? Good evening, Kimmi. You're such a blessing and encouragement. Thank you. Oh, it's my pleasure, girl. So that's just facts, though. That's just facts. So, I'm big on, like I said, some people may not like it. And if you sign up for mentorship or anything I do and it wasn't the way you thought, it's okay. We're going to be friends at the end of the day. I don't even have time. As I was stating earlier with the mentorship program, that's why it took me so long to roll out one, because I knew what people really meant when they said mentor. They would be in my comments all the time. Hey, Kimmi, can you be my mentor? Hey, I love how you teach. Can you be my mentor? Can you be my mentor? Mentor became such a dirty word at one time in the notary space. And a lot of people shied away from it because they also knew what it meant. It meant, I'm not going to do anything. I want you to tell me everything to do. And you can't pay me enough to run your business and my business. Technically, that's what that is. You want me to run your notary business plus my notary business. You want me to price your services for you. You want me to tell you what your state laws are. You want me to tell you what supplies you need when I've already listed everything out for you in the courses. So again, I want to invite everyone to be a part of mentorship, but only if you're ready to do the work. And again, I know who has did the work. I already know when you ask questions. And I'm not mad at you for asking questions. That's what we do. That's what I do. I answer questions all day from 9 o'clock in the morning to 11 o'clock at night in our mentorship program. That takes trump or precedence over everything else. Is a mentorship program. I answered all my YouTube comments today. I got caught up, but from a month ago. Everything I do, all my time is spent over in mentorship. Now, I do answer my questions on YouTube. I'm going to try to get better at that, at least doing them weekly. But most of the time, I'm over in mentorship. People are trying to learn the business. People have jobs. They have assignments. So, I don't have a lot of time. So I'm only one person. We have a team, but I answer my YouTube comments. I answer all the comments, all the emails and stuff. So I have to really use my time wisely. I really do. So I will tell you about the mentorship program if you're not aware, because many of you are new. I see that. The mentorship is called the Notary Business Success Mentorship Program. It is only $47 per month, but it teaches you how to properly notarize documents. What's the difference between an acknowledgement and jurat? How to start your specialty general notary work in nursing homes and hospitals, how to do estate packages with the trust and living wills. I cover all of that. I have ink fingerprinting included. I even have an apostille course included in the mentorship program. Apostille courses will cost you anywhere from $200 to $400. My course is included in the program. You can buy it separately. All the things I'm talking about, you can buy them separately. If you'd like to, coupon code is WIN2025, WIN2025. And but all of the courses I'm mentioning are included, so you can cancel at any time. The loan signing agent A to Z is included. The Google My Business course. So everything is designed to get you up and running in your business at again a low flat fee of $47. If you've been watching any time, you'll say, well, how can you do it for $47? It's just like any of these other beautiful communities that like each one teach one, each one help one. So as you're putting your $47 in, everybody putting their $47, now I can afford to help you, as a group. And there are other communities, Jamaicans, Mexicans, all these different groups. They all do it. They pool their money together and they help each other. similar to what the mentorship program is. So actually, as I'm helping in the group, many people like Lisa, she's becoming what I call a seasoned notary. She's doing well. Andrea is learning the business. Quite a few. Jasmine, Suzanne. So we got quite a few. I know I'm missing some names. We got two Donnas always in there. So we got a lot of people. We got another Lisa. So people are really trying to help each other. They give tips. We got some men that have joined the mentorship, and I'm excited about them. And that's going amazing. So, and they're taking the bull by the horns. They're actually looking at the courses, you know. So I went on a little tangent over here, which is probably not the right place to do it, but I know many of you are interested in mentorship. So I want to give you a sneak peek at reality of what the mentorship program is. We're going to talk about it tonight, live also in the actual mentorship program, which is at 7. So you still got time to join if you want to join mentorship and join the live session tonight. Again, that's gonna be 7 p.m. Eastern. Tonight we're doing certified copy. Now tonight's gonna be a little long, but I'm hoping people got a little time because of the snow, because it is what it is. This topic is long. And I'm gonna get ready to get out of here because I gotta go and do a little bit more preparation, but tonight's topic is long. Lisa said, come on over, guys. You won't regret it. Yeah, thank you, Lisa. Yeah, so tonight's topic is going to be a little involved because we got to learn how to notarize these certified copies correctly. And again, it's very important, especially when you start doing apostilles. And people ask you even if it's not an apostille, but that's why I always say you don't have to be a notary to facilitate apostilles. You don't have to be, but if you are one, it makes all the difference in the world. Because you're going to see tonight, it's a lot of different things that we're asked to do as notaries. Okay. I was like, this should have been a whole course. I mean, anytime you got 9 to 10 slides on something, that's a course, right? I could sell that. But it's going to be over in mentorship. You can catch the replay if you don't make it tonight and you do want to join us later on, you can. We also have the Start Your Notary Business book if you would like to check that out. And I do need to go because people are starting to log onto my Zoom, but you got time to join. You got 20 minutes to join the Zoom. So guys, I'm going to get out of here, and I will thank you again, Lisa, for all your support. I appreciate it. You're doing amazing. I will see you all again soon. All things notary, check out notaryeducatorsllc.com. I hate to leave when I see so many of you joining, but I have to go to mentorship right now. So I will be in touch, okay?